What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we know that we were all expecting Shibarium to be released yesterday based on what the team told us. Shibarium will be released by the end of the third quarter, which was September 30th. So it's only one day beyond that. We did get a last minute tweet sometime, maybe a week or two back, with the X Fund team or Satoshi telling us that, the release of Shibarium was still scheduled for the end of quarter 3 or shortly thereafter. So we gotta, now we're in that shortly thereafter phase. So, I was trying to do some research on, what's going on with Shibarium, or what could be, possibly holding it up, or how long could that short time thereafter be. And ran across this article. It's a few days older, but it's still important nonetheless to understand what's actually taking place behind the scenes. So shout out to the Shib Army. If you're rocking with us, make sure you hit that like button. So Shiba Inu, what steps needs to happen before Shibarium launch? So let's take a look at this. Unification X Fund, the firm that's building Shiba Inu's layer 2 solution Shibarium, revealed in a blog post that the public testnet will be released in Q3 of 2022. Shibarium Layer 2 network is the most anticipated development in the SHIB sphere, as it could lower gas fees considerably. In addition, Shibarium might also integrate an inbuilt burn mechanism that could remove tokens from circulation. However, its features will be known only when the public testnet is released to fully understand its functionalities. This article will highlight the step-by-step process that needs to be taken before launching Shibarium Shiba Inu Shibarium. So here's the process that needs to take place. So an in-depth process before launching Shibarium. So Shibarium's launch is divided into 3 different parts. The 3 phases include public beta testnet, developers allowed for open testing on the platform, and then the main net launch, the final Shibarium. So 1, the public beta testnet. Shibarium public beta testnet is the first and foremost step to allow users to take a glimpse of the layer 2 network. The public testnet is expected to be launched by the end of Q3, which is on or before September 30th, 2022. Still in plans for the end of the quarter release or sometime shortly thereafter, their blog reads. Step 2, developers can check the opportunities that Shibarium offers. Once the public beta testnet goes live, developers or delegators can gain access to Shibarium and look for opportunities on the platform. Developers can plan to build, create, and launch products on top of the Shibarium network and start a business. The developers will eventually give wings to Shiba Inu Shibarium through their products, making its use case reach further prospects. This phase allows developers to steadily check the network, report bugs and issues, and ensure it's rectified before the final launch. However, this is the testing phase only, and the products will not be launched on top of the network immediately. The initial public beta testnet will focus on the developer/delegator sector in order to enable a robust and ready network, reported the blog. Step 3. After the above 2 phases are complete and all developer suggestions are taken and issues are rectified, the mainnet will be streamlined. This will open up a path for a secure Shibarium launch to serve investors and developers a plethora of opportunities. The final launch date for Shiba Inu Shibarium is not revealed, and we'll have to wait and watch for an official confirmation. So still very exciting. We know that it is coming up. Let's take a look at how SHIB's price is doing right now, then we'll take a look at BONE. Get a sneak peek at XRP real quick, down 2%, sitting at 47 cents. I told y'all XRP is one of my long holds, but we got Bitcoin down 2%. First off, the overall market is down 1.7%, so we want to look at that. If we know the overall market is down, most likely the top cryptocurrencies are also going to reflect that. So Bitcoin 19,300 down just said 2%. Ethereum at 1,300 down 2.6%. And usually what we see is around the first of the month, we usually get red days because most people are, liquidating or selling to, take profits or close positions to pay bills or to have money for, the weekend. And this is the thing too, this time falls on a weekend and it's the first of the month. So we got people taking weekend money, people taking bill money. So you're seeing a lot of money, come out of the market. So BNB at $281 right now, down 1%. XRP down 3% at 47 cents right now. Cardano 42 cents. Solana $32 down 3.6%. We got Doge at 6 cent, and Shib at that 11.16 level right now. So also, I want to take a quick look at Bone. This is what, a lot of people should be paying attention to as well. Bone is down to $1.24. So we're seeing a nice pullback, down 8.67%. I actually think I will be buying some Bone today. So remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But right now, this is looking like a good opportunity with Bone token, because we know that this is going to be the native token of the Shibarium blockchain. So connect the dots on this, y'all. You want to not be afraid of the red. Don't chase the candles when it's green. If you're going to buy some, I'm not telling you to, or you have to buy some, but if you decide to get some, you would prefer to get it while the price is, showing a nice discount. Y'all know I like to pull the trigger around 10 to 15% discounts, but right now we almost got 9% right here, so I think I can add to my position around this level, before we see Bone back around $2.60, or upon the release of Shibarium, possibly $5. Now, also a reason for this selling. See, now we got it down 9.2%. So it's cooling off right now. So a lot of people may be selling because they were holding, for short-term gains for the potential release of Shibarium. A lot of people were expecting, okay, we got Shibarium coming out on September 30th, so let me buy some Bone right before that. But these are generally not long-term investors, so some of those people will close their positions as they get bored and move on to something else. But that's a good sign for us that are holding, that understand the ecosystem, that believe in everything that's going on. But yeah, that's all we got for this video, man. I appreciate all y'all for pulling up. This journey is, it's exciting, it's fun to see what we get each and every day, because these times, these little moments that we're talking about now, when we actually see the gains that we're looking for, when we start to see the price really go crazy, like we did several times during 2021, these are going to be like the little times that like resonate with you, or that you just, keep as memories. All the work that you were doing, all the, effort that you put in, you'll feel that you deserved that moment when it comes. So shout out to y'all again for that. I'm DecemberDeMarco. We are